Rejection is a common experience for all researchers and is not a reflection of your worth or effort. The key is to approach it constructively by carefully reading the reviewer's comments and editor's letter to understand the reasons behind the decision. Sometimes, the rejection may be due to scope mismatch, methodological flaws, or insufficient novelty, while other times it could be a matter of presentation or clarity. Take time to emotionally process the feedback, then plan your revisions systematically. Address each reviewer comment point by point in a response letter, indicating changes made or reasons for disagreement politely. If the paper was rejected without review or after revision, consider submitting it to another suitable journal, tailoring the manuscript as per new guidelines. Maintain perseverance and see rejection as an opportunity to improve your work and grow as a researcher.